I'm going to show you one stock that is mixing it up with the likes of Meta and NVDA. It's not an information technology stock. It is actually a household durables stock. Look at that. Look at that. You see that here down here? PHM stock. PHM stock. You can see the likes of Meta. Meta is up 242% in last year. NVIDIA up 196.91, 196.51%. PHM is up 97.46% in the last 1 year. Look at this, is the chart. In this pre-market session, only 193 shares have crossed the tape. That is an indication that it doesn't have enough following. It's not heavily traded. Let's look down here. You can see the volatility is only 30.04%. This stock is not a meme stock. It's not popular at all. The stock appears to be in a strong bullish trend. It's 200-day moving average. I don't need to say all that because you can actually clearly see that. It's abundantly evident. It cooled off, and what I'm here talking, this peak has already been erased. It's no longer the peak. It just continued to print higher highs, print higher lows, and higher highs. I think sometimes when this occurs, it's just an indication that there were a lot of shares available then, but when they became scarce, it spiked. I think the stocks are also available right now. That's why we have very low volatility at the moment. It's just inching up gradually upwards. So let's look at what's going on TradingView concerning PHM. Okay, this is the 1 minute chart. It has plunged all the way down to $87.69. Where did it close yesterday? It's I think we can see that it's 7.69. Yeah, okay, yeah. It's not it looks graphically looks like the end of the world, but no, as a matter of fact, it's so bullish that it's what is it called again? This tool we're using here is the auto regression tool. The auto regression tool is actually above its regular price. Usually we in a lot of charts we apply this tool on. It's usually a lot more. It's always calling for a moderation, but this time around it's not doing that. It's just holding up and actually saying that what you're looking at right now is a bit too far. It's a bit too much. This decline, this plunge here. This is a 1 minute chart. Not that it's going to be of much help, but it's just quite interesting. That this auto regression tool that is forecasting the price of the stock is above the regular price, the current price. Okay, so let's have a look at the 5 minute charts. These are not going to be of much benefit to you because they are just very much temporary. Okay, the 2000 is still coming up. I don't think we are going to wait for it. We just okay. It's out. Yes, you can see that. Same as well. Above its price as well. The price is forecasting on the 5 minute chart is above what a regular price is. Okay, so let's look at the 45 minute chart. Okay, let's see what we have here on the 45 minute chart. We have projections. Okay, it's in this case it's way below the regular price, all the way down to around $86 or thereabouts. So we have upper projections of 9.11, and we have 88.79. we also have 88.2, 88.28, all the way down to $85.33. But let's look at a 1 day chart, which is going to be of much more interest to you. On the 1 day chart, we have the auto regression for its I believe its 10 period moving average is indicating that it's going to decline, and the auto regression of its of the price itself is also implying that it should be at around $61, $61.98. This is what I'm telling you. This is a typical case. This is what we not typically see this auto regression tool do. It's always trying to remind you that you're a bit ambitious, and that's what we are looking at right now. So outside that, we can see, we've seen this chart already. Stock is closed at 87.91. Okay, so right now it is at in this pre-market session, that is at 87.69. So the auto regression tool for its 10-period moving average, 10-day moving average, is projecting that it's going to decline all the way down to 69.70. Quite similar to what the projection on its price is saying. And it's not the projections are not bullish at all on this on the price and on its moving average. So but we have an upper projection of $95.05, and then below that we have 84.39. below that we have 80.21, and this on they all go all the way down to 56.26. And let's look at the 1 week chart and see what we have. The 1 week chart is on the 1 week chart, strength is projected on its 10-period moving average all the way towards 80.07. It's actually above that. So, and then the last projection there is 77.84, but there are the same, because this is also still the auto regression tool that is forecasting its price. It's at for the 1 week chart, it's it's projecting with day. What are we talking about here? It doesn't have any day yet. No date was okay. Yeah, talking about sometime in January of 2024, Monday the 29th of January, projecting a very okay, it's projecting, what is it projecting there? It's projecting 48.1. so it's calling for a moderation, saying that it's going to decline. So it's more of a doomish projection. Okay, but we have upper projections on this weekly chart of 94.65, so 100.72, 109.22, 120.15, all the way towards 151.72. Then the downward projections are 81.29, 69.15, and all the way down to 37.17. All of these are on the weekly chart. So let's see. Okay, this is when was this? Yesterday, Jeffries starts Pulte Group with a buy rating, $107 price target. Okay, 4 days ago, Pulte is trending, is a trending stock. Facts to know before betting on it. Let's see what we can find here on Charles Schwab. They're easier to read here. Okay, let's see whether we can find any stories here. Okay, I think the same one. Pulte Group lifts a quarterly cash dividend by 25% to 0.2 a share, payable January 3rd to shareholders as of December 19. Okay, this is as of the 21st. Strategic Organizing Center nominates 3 candidates to Starbucks board of. Okay, Pulte Group. Okay, let's see whether we can find any stories there. President of the company, Ryan Marshall, honored with building homes for heroes, kicks off a veteran week. Let's see whether there's no report here. I was thinking we might see a report from Morningstar or the like. We don't have any here. There's Argos is their rating is long. There's a CFRA stock report here. There's a Refinitiv report plus. Refinitiv maintains current price target of 95.94 for PHM. Let's see here. I'm not sure if this is going to be an interesting report to have a look at. Let's see. Refinitiv reports plus. So the rating for it there is outperforming. Okay, average score is 10. I think it's 10 out of 10. It says PHM is currently among an exclusive group of 292 stocks awarded our highest score of 10. Okay, so it's getting interesting. It's sounding like I'm promoting the stock, but it's I mean I just did that screen and I saw it there, so I just felt that I have to bring it to your notice. What else? What else do we have? Interesting facts about it. The score of, for Pultegroup Inc. has changed from 9 to 10 on the 2nd of July 2023 and has remained the same for 21 weeks. In the past 3 years, the best score was 10 on the 19th of November 2023, and the worst was a 6 on the 7th of November 2021. So let's see what else we can come up with here. Let's see what's this table for. Yeah, clearly I don't know. Okay, peer analysis, you can see that 1 year return, it's the best performing. Not exactly, it's not the best performing actually in terms of returns. There's DFH is actually performing better than it has performed better. Okay, some of them are not that bad as well. You can see some of them have returns of around 96.4%. So there's something about that industry. Durable households, also household durables. Okay, earnings of score of 6. Average revenue, a pattern of increasing sales in conjunction with a rising earnings per share may influence a buy recommendation, while flat or falling sales, faltering earnings may explain a sell recommendation. Okay, it's not exactly just a methodology there. Okay, let's see fundamentals. 9, strong fundamentals such as high profit margins and low debt levels or growing dividends. Okay, fundamental scores. Okay, let's see. Okay, Pulte in, currently has a fundamental rating of 9. The average fundamental rating in its home building industry is a 7.4, and the S&P 500 average is a 6.2. The company's gross margin has been higher than its industry average for each of the past 5 years. Positive outlook, 8. Pulte is currently has a relative valuation rating of 8, which is significantly above the S&P 500 index of 4.7. PHM is currently valued at a discount to the S&P 500 index based on both trading PE and forward PE. So interesting. So just have a look, and I will definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.